In late February 2026, heavy snowfall hit Georgia, affecting the capital and several regions across the country. By February 28, the snowfall intensified, causing power and gas supply disruptions, traffic complications, and icy road conditions. On March 1st, Tbilisi City Hall switched municipal services to emergency mode, with special equipment operating around the clock to clear streets, sidewalks, and access roads to key facilities. Due to the heavy snow accumulation, localized landslides were reported in the Sabratalo, Faked, Goldani, and Asani districts, as well as the partial collapse of a wall of an building. Though authorities confirmed there were no casualties, several schools suspended classes, public transport operated with delays, and restrictions were introduced on mountain roads for vehicles without winter tires. Meteorologists explained the situation as the result of cold air masses combined with an active Black Sea cyclone bringing unusually heavy precipitation for late February, making this snowfall one of the most significant weather events of the 2025 to 2026 winter season in the capital region. Stay tuned for updates, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest reports and breaking news.